Most guys assume they'd notice instantly if a woman wanted to sleep with them. They imagine loud flirting, obvious touch, maybe even a bold little invite. But here's the thing, when the attraction is real and she's actually ready to act on it, the greeting can feel strangely charged. Psychology shows that desire doesn't always announce itself. It sneaks into tiny moves. And those first few seconds when she sees you can say way more than she'll ever admit out loud. In this video, we're breaking down 6 greeting patterns women use when they're already picturing what it would be like to take you home. Number 1. She greets you with a physical claim. When the attraction is physical, her hello can come with a subtle, "this is mine" vibe. It's not just a friendly hug, it's the kind where her body lines up with yours, where she's a bit closer than normal social rules call for. Maybe her hand stays on your back a second too long, or she lingers as she pulls away instead of creating space right away. That's not a purely platonic touch. It's a quiet preview of closeness. The psychology piece touch can prime the body for intimacy, and if she's already imagining you without clothes, she'll look for a reason to erase that distance fast. Number 2. She greets you with an unbroken eye sweep. A normal friendly greeting usually comes with quick eye contact, and that's it. But if there's sexual intent behind it, her eyes may slowly travel from your face down to your chest, maybe your waist or hands, then back up again. It's subtle enough that she can pretend it meant nothing, but noticeable enough that you feel it. This isn't her appreciating your outfit. It's her brain doing a fast scan of what she's working with. In sexual psychology, this can be an evaluative gaze, a quiet, often subconscious inventory that shows up when someone's already imagining your body. Number 3, she greets you by stepping into your space without asking. This isn't the polite arm's length hello. She walks right into your personal bubble, closer than necessary, and doesn't rush to back up. Maybe her hand lightly brushes your arm while she talks. Maybe her hair grazes your shoulder as she leans in to say hi. Proxemics research shows most people keep strangers around a couple feet away, but attraction, especially sexual attraction, shrinks that boundary fast. If she's greeting you so close you can feel her warmth, she's not just being social. It's basically a test run for how it feels to be right up against you. Number 4. She greets you with a double touch. Touch is one of the strongest signals of attraction, but when her greeting includes 2 points of contact, it's usually intentional. Maybe she hugs you, and when she pulls back her hand stays on your arm, or she shakes your hand, but her other hand briefly lands on your chest. That second touch isn't for balance, it's a layered signal. I'm comfortable getting closer. In evolutionary psychology, multiple touch points can fast-track intimacy during first contact. And if she's greeting you like this, she's not just being warm, she's watching how your body responds. Number 5. She greets you like you're both in on a secret. When a woman wants to sleep with you, your presence can flip a switch in her, and it leaks out through the greeting. Maybe she spots you across the room, and her smile turns a little crooked, like she's thinking about something you haven't even done. But she's already played it out in her head. The hi isn't just, "Hey, what's up?" It comes with a softer tone, a smirk, a look that feels weirdly private. That greeting has heat because it's not just acknowledging you, it's acknowledging the tension. That's not plain friendliness, that's flirtation wrapped in one small moment. Number 6, she greets you with a vocal drop. You've heard how she greets other people, bright, normal, casual. But when it's you, her voice changes. Maybe it slows down. Maybe it dips slightly lower. Maybe she stretches your name in a way that feels like she's savoring it. Sexual arousal can affect vocal tone, sometimes barely, sometimes a lot. And it's one of the easiest tells because it can slip past her conscious control. That small shift usually isn't an act.